Welcome back, guys. So on this video I'll be teaching us how to earn with our Vista Vista Advert post earnings. So what you have to do now is when you log in, you go back to this place and click on these three lines that is up here now. Let me say you're in home page. You go back to your home page and click on these three lines. Click on Advert post. Click on Advert post. When you click on Advert post, just click on this blue place that is here now, this Advert post. When you click on it, you check the advert for that day and you engage. Click on engage here. This is where you click to earn. So when you click on this engage here, to take you to the advert, whether it's WhatsApp advert or Telegram advert or anywhere, you just have to join what they said you should join. If it's to join Telegram channel, you click on join. If it's to save up WhatsApp number, you save up the WhatsApp number. If it's to follow Instagram, you follow Instagram. Then all you have to do now is to go back. Once you have engaged on the post, you earn. So you just have to go to your dashboard and confirm if you actually earned. So scroll up. This is your earning history. Advert post earnings January 4th. So you see it here. This is it. 300 I've added to your task balance. So this is how to earn with advert post.